I thought it was about to get real. It pretty much covered the ground up there. Look at that driveway. It is all over the place. Oh boy. Wow. It is really coming down out there. My chickens all went in the house. They're getting the crap beat out of them. Look at that. See that over there? Macy wants to go out and see what's going on out there. I've never seen that stuff before. What is that, Mace? What's that? Huh? Is that some hail? Huh? You want to see what it's all about? What is that? What is it? What is it? Come on. Come on, Mace. Macy, come on. Hurry. Yeah, she wanted to come outside and see the hail in action. Hey, there it is. We just got some hail. Wow, that was not too big, but pretty small. Come here, Mace. Yep, see? Pretty small. That's bigger than pea size. Uh-oh, Macy, come on! Macy, come! Macy, come, now! Uh-oh. Uh-oh, she's gonna get the crap beat out. Come on, Macy! She's gonna get the shit beat out of her. She wants to get them. Come on, Mace. Come on, girl. Come on. I thought it was going to start in again. But she's having fun out there. Come on, Mace. Come on, girl. Come on. Macy, come. Come. You want a treat? Come on. Come on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on.